friends, in this video we will see how to fix the directory or file cannot be created error code 0x80070052 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, definitely basically it's a USB related issue. If you are using an USB and having issues, then open this USB drive and here create another folder on this drive and then copy and paste from this folder. Hover the cursor on blank space and choose new and create a folder and paste the content which you want to paste in this folder. So simply create a new folder and do your work from this folder in the USB drive and check whether this method working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, close the windows and open File Explorer again. Here right click on your USB or external drive error and eject it, and after some times again insert your USB drive or hard disk to your system. So eject and again insert your USB drive in your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. Sometimes a simple removing and inserting USB drive may resolve various type of USB related issue. So remove your USB drive and change a different port, insert your USB drive. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to File Explorer and right click on your USB drive and here choose format, and if this file system is previously FAT32, then change this file system type NTFS. If already having NTFS, then choose FAT32 and click on quick format and choose a start. So format your external drive or USB drive. The next workaround to fix this issue is right click on a start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command services.msc. This command will open services windows in your system. So click on OK and here services windows will now open. Here under available services, scroll down and look for the option credential manager. Simply right click on it and choose a start. If you already found it in a start mode, then apply a double click on it to open its properties and choose a startup type as automatic. And finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the windows and check whether your error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to this PC. Here right click on your USB drive and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to tools and here under error checking, the option will check the drive for file system errors. Click on check and a pop-up window will appear. If any problem, choose a scan and repair drive. Otherwise you don't need to scan this drive. So if any problem, choose a scan and repair drive and follow on screen instruction. Your error will resolve.